After more than 10 years, it's Toyota's full-size SUV's turn for a redesign, and it'll likely borrow from the new Tundra, including a hybrid V6 engine. Toyota shared the first image of the new Sequoia full-size SUV. It's expected to use the same new twin-turbo V6 engine as the 2022 Tundra pickup, and also offer the new iForce Max hybrid powertrain that makes 437 horsepower. The new Sequoia should make its debut soon and arrive by the end of the year. Toyota's ancient full-size SUV will soon get its first new generation in more than 10 years, just like the Tundra, as the company shared the first teaser image of the new 2023 Sequoia's right rear quarter. Like the previous two generations, the big SUV will be closely related to the Tundra pickup, and it will effectively replace the Land Cruiser in Toyota's US lineup. The Sequoia will be built on Toyota's new TNGAF body-on-frame platform that underpins the Tundra and the global Land Cruiser. Those two trucks use a solid rear axle. The Tundra now has rear coil springs, but the Sequoia, like the Chevy Tahoe and Ford Expedition, will continue to have an independent rear suspension. This teaser image shows a thin taillight and chrome window trim, door handles, and wheels. Expect various improvements carried over from the Tundra, such as the large 14-inch touchscreen, digital gauge cluster, and various Trd packages, including an off-road-oriented Trd Pro model. A twin-turbocharged V6 that produces either 348 horsepower and 405 pound-feet of torque, or 389 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque in the Tundra will likely replace the current Sequoia's 381 horsepower V8. Toyota's new iForce Max twin-turbo V6 hybrid, which makes 437 horsepower, should also be available in the SUV. Look for more information on the new Sequoia to trickle out in the coming months, as we expect this to be the first of many teasers Toyota drops before its full debut.